In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically remove silence in CapCut. This is a quick way to tighten your edits, keep your pacing snappy, and get rid of dead air without manually hunting through your timeline. First, open CapCut. Give the program a moment to load your workspace so everything is responsive. Once you're in, import your media. You can do this by bringing in the video or audio file you want to clean up so it appears in your project and on the timeline. Make sure the clip you want to process is visible and ready to be selected. Next, click on the video clip in your timeline to make sure it's highlighted. This tells CapCut exactly which piece of media you want to analyze. With the clip selected, look to the upper right area of the workspace for the transcript icon. Depending on your version, it looks like a text or captions symbol. Click that icon to open the transcript tool. CapCut will now analyze the audio in your clip and generate a transcript. This step may take a moment, especially if your video is long. What's happening behind the scenes is that CapCut is listening for spoken words and the gaps in between them. Those gaps are the silences we want to remove. When the transcript appears, you'll see the text of your speech along with indications of pauses and empty sections. Take a moment to review the transcript, skim through and make sure the sections marked as silence are truly parts you want to trim. This is an important quality check because not every pause is unwanted. Some pauses create emphasis or make your story easier to follow. If you notice anything you want to keep, just be aware of it before moving on. After you've reviewed